Hey everyone, welcome back to MindNex, your go-to channel for AI tools, productivity hacks, and ways to work smarter, not harder. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools that can save you over 10 hours every single week in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, a remote worker, or just someone looking to optimize your workflow, these tools are total game changers. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Imagine cutting your repetitive tasks in half, automating your emails, creating content in minutes, and staying organized without stress. Sounds amazing, right? Well, these AI tools are here to make it happen.
The first tool on our list is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's like having a personal assistant who can generate emails, write content, answer questions, brainstorm ideas, and even create scripts for your videos or blog posts. Here's how it can save you time. Writing emails. Draft professional emails in seconds instead of spending 10 to 15 minutes each. Content creation. Generate social media posts, blog drafts, or ad copies instantly. Brainstorming ideas. Stuck on a project? ChatGPT can give you multiple ideas in seconds. Honestly, just using ChatGPT for these tasks alone can save you at least 2 to 3 hours per week.
Next up is Notion AI. Notion is already a powerful productivity tool, but with AI integrated, you can organize tasks, create project plans, and summarize long notes in seconds. Here's what I love. Automatically generate meeting notes or summaries, create task lists with deadlines, plan content calendars. For remote workers and freelancers, Notion AI helps you stay organized without wasting hours manually writing or planning. This alone can save you 2 to 3 hours per week, depending on how many projects you handle.
The third tool is Canva AI, perfect for anyone creating content, presentations, or social media graphics. With Canva AI, you can automatically generate designs and templates, get AI suggestions for layouts, fonts, and colors, create social media posts or thumbnails in minutes. Instead of spending hours designing graphics from scratch, Canva AI allows you to produce professional visuals in a fraction of the time.
Fourth on our list is Jasper AI, an AI content writing assistant. Jasper can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, or ad copy. Rewrite content in different tones and styles. Generate SEO-friendly content quickly. For content creators, this means you can produce a week's worth of content in just a few hours, saving significant time and energy. Finally, we have Zapier AI or other automation tools. These tools allow you to connect multiple apps and automate repetitive tasks, such as automatically moving data from emails to spreadsheets, posting social media updates at scheduled times, sending reminders and notifications. Setting up simple automations can save you 2 to 4 hours per week, depending on your workflow. And there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that can save you over 10 hours every week in 2025. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Comment down below. I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI productivity tips. Thanks for watching MindNext, and remember, think next, work smart.